Hello everyone and I welcome you to Talk with RD. Today I am going to cover the most untouched part of a machine learning, that is semi-supervised learning. People often neglect it, but I consider it to be a very important part of a machine learning. So let's start, guys. So guys, you know that either there are no label for all the observations in a data sets or labels are present for all the observation. So semi-supervised learning basically fall in between these two. In many practical situations, the cost to label is quite high since it required the skilled human expert to do that. So in the absence of labels in the majority of observation, but they are present in a few amount, so that is semi-supervised learning. So semi-supervised algorithms are basically very good for model building. This method explores the idea that even though the group membership of unlabeled data are unknown, this data carries important information about the group parameters. So you can assume the basic two things from it, that it is very good for model building and also very good for group parameters. So it fall between supervised and unsupervised learning. So it's a type of categorical target variable where it divided into two parts, that is classification and clustering. You know that classification come under supervised learning and clustering come under unsupervised learning. So classification are further divided into text classification and clustering are further divided into land finding on GPS data. Let me elucidate it this too. Okay. So guys, what is text classification? So it's a process of assigning tags or categories to text according to its content. It's one of a fundamental task in natural language processing with broad applications such as sentiment analysis, topic labeling, and more importantly, span detection. So text classification is a task of assigning a set of predefined category to free text. As you can see it in an image in a screen, the relevant message and spams are separated with the help of classification model here. So type of algorithm which are required to make this task happen in a text classifications are naive Bayes classifier, linear classifier, support vector machine, bagging model and boosting model, and many more algorithms are there to make this task happen. Okay, so guys, I can assume now that you understand what is text classification. Now it's time for land finding on GPS data. Before moving on it, I am showing you an image that you can see it in a screen. What is a LAN actually and how machine learning model see it. It's a part of a deep learning, or you can often say that it's a part of a self-driving car. So we people can find land on a road fairly easily, but actually it's a tough task for computer to understand, guys, and move accordingly. For making this task happen, a basic computer vision technology use are like a Kenny S detection and many more. So that was a land detection on Wi-Fi, but actually how computers see it, you can see it in a screen. So actually the limitation of this is that a road must be clear. It should be free from snow, lots of water and dirt. So guys, yeah, I can assume now that you understand the land finding on GPS data. So thank you.